Let me ask you a question. Imagine there's someone at the door whom you know very well, and he has a letter in his hand, which is very important. How do you treat this man? I'm sure you will welcome him because you trust him. You welcome the person, and then after giving him something to drink, you read the letter. Am I right? Now imagine the person at the door is somebody who's a stranger, and he too has a letter in his hand. Now, how do we treat? Do we welcome the person first or prefer to read the letter? I'm sure we read the letter first. Am I right? The same thing is happening in the mind. Brain is giving us the letter, and we don't know our emotions well. But how do we treat our emotions? We welcome them. It is these emotions that control us. We have handed over our remote control to our mind. It is we who need to control our mind. So, when we have these emotional trials going on in the mind, how do we deal with them?